if you have a dual control system for the aircon, like I have over here, and for example you want to change the temperature on both sides, let's say the same temperature, you can do it by just changing the temperature for on the driver's side, whatever temperature do you want, and if you want the same temperature on the right side, on the passenger side, just push the auto button and the temperature is changing automatically. Let's do this again. Let's set for 20 degrees, and you want this temperature to be on the right as well. Instead of changing manually, just push the auto button and it's going to be changed automatically. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.